Not yet. Not yet. Okay, hey sweetie pie. What did we learn today? What's the expression that we learned today?
If life give you lemons, then you turn it into lemonade. If life gives you lemon, then you turn it into lemonade. If life gives you lemon, then you turn it into lemonade.
And Allie, what does that mean? What does that expression mean?
That if something that you weren't planning for, if something that you were planning for turns out to be bad, then you turn it into lemonade. Right?
Can you say that again? Can you explain it again?
No thanks.
Sweetie, does it mean if something doesn't turn out the way you want, then you make it into something good?
Yeah.
Can you say something like that?
If life gives you camera, then you take pictures.